Alright YouTube, to cook pasta, you're going to need 5 quarts of water for 1 pound of pasta. And put your stove on high and let that come to a boil. Alright YouTube, so take your linguine or whatever pasta you want. This is a pound. And just slide that in there. Don't push it or anything. It'll naturally just sink into the water. And cook it to the package directions. Usually a pound of linguine takes 9 to 10 minutes. Alright, so you see how that pasta sank into the water? Now you want to take sea salt and put some in there. And the thing you want to do is take a spoon or a fork and move the pasta around. And now you can let this sit and cook it to the package. And like I said, 1 pound of linguine takes about 9 to 10 minutes. Alright YouTube, so that is done. Turn your pot off and look at this pasta. Look at the quality of that pasta. Now you're going to want to drain this. Alright YouTube, so you can see that pasta is good. If you want, add a little bit of the olive oil to your choice and just stir that in. And this will prevent the pasta from sticking together. So that's how easy it is to make pasta. And then you can pair it with whatever sauce you want. And you see that steam? If you like how-to videos, please subscribe, hit the like button. And I plan on bringing 100 how-to cooking videos so we can learn together. Dan Soy Cook, love you, bye-bye.